our food processor. First off, you will roll dimensions from left to right. You have a lathe of 15 inches. 15 inches applied from the left to right handle. The overall height at 16.5 inches tall. Accessories included will be a knife along with a spare cutting blade. Moving to the top, cover should be the least. Moving to the cylinder will be the removable blade, which will be in 2 pieces. Measurements for the cylinder will include 10 inches in radius by 8.25 inches, and blades can be removed for cleaning and inserted back right inside. The cover can be locked in. This will grind and moist your food with ease. And so the back will be the 110 voltage.
For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this part.